today I received something from one of the sellers that I really trust, and it's an evil twin, and I'm so excited because I've been waiting to receive this to match my authentic espadrille wedges. So if you like these types of videos where I unbox authentic evil twin items like DIY, compare bags, review on bags, plus more, then please like and subscribe and just hit that bell. And if you want to talk fashion style, then DM me on Instagram at TCP_luxury. Right, Tawi? Give him a high. Oh my god. He didn't scratch me. He just is giving you guys a high five. Why is he smacking me in the face? I have no idea. But he's just being Atari. Okay, let's get started. What'd I get? Here it is. I know Atari just turned into a box, didn't he? Of course, I purchased Gucci. Duh. I don't know, these crazy vibes. So the shopping bag and the box looking so amazing. The replica world is just too much sometimes, just too much. So here it is. I'll put the box side by side with my authentic one. Here is the bag. Evil twin style. Forgive me for Atari's hair. Oh, look at that. It already broke. That's what you get for messing with evil twins. Here is the box in perfect condition. Now, just real quick, here's my authentic shoe box, and here's the evil twin bag box. So if you can see, I could see a big difference. I don't know if you can, but the print on the evil twin box has a more, the design is more green, and the authentic one is not as green. This close, see the difference. Anyway, doesn't matter, we're not wearing these boxes, so what matters is what's inside. Here is the inside. It includes a ribbon. I do not have any paperwork, which is fine, like receipts and whatnot. I really don't care about the receipts. Some of you probably do, but I do not. Here is the dust bag. Ribbon is missing, which is fine. Dust bag does say the Gucci. So dumb. Here is the lovely bag. I had to get this mini Gucci Marmont bag. Here it is, so beautiful. Oh my god, I can't wait to compare this with my matching espadrilles that are authentic. So this is an evil twin. My espadrilles are authentic. But look at this beautiness. Oh my goodness. It is looking so gorgeous. Like, especially with the black trimming in the canvas. I mean, it's just too gorgeous. Okay, so let's look at strap time. Look like an alien, kind of do. That chain is gorgeous. I don't know. Yeah, it's supposed to be the shine actually. I saw this online. I haven't seen this particular bag, this Marmont bag, in person. Oh my god. You didn't have to see all that crazy wrestling with the chain and the packaging. Let's give her an open. First, there's the double G's. I showed this really soft, and the leather's really nice. There's no funky smell. There it is inside. And here is the internals. Oh, it does have paperwork in the Gucci microfiber for moisture protection. Here is the paperwork, the controllato paperwork, and a little small piece of the leather so you can test products on it. Just tags and whatnot, and that's basically it for the paperwork. So I just leave that in the pocket, and you can see it has the, let's move this. I've never seen a protector on the tag. The stamping code. And it does have the authenticity tag. And that's it. Oh, it does have a protector here. I don't know if I should just leave it. It's kind of cute, right, with it on. I kind of like it. Might just leave that for now. See how I feel later. And the strap, forgot to show you, looks amazing. Let's go ahead and see if she matches my authentic espadrille wedges. Here they are. Now let's see if the actual fabric matches. Oh my God. That is so freaking scary. Like, it's very, 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 very similar. Actually the fabric just looks the same to me. What do you think? And then the G's, double G's. I feel that the Evil Twin double G is a bit more on the orangey side. I don't know. It's not that crazy different, but I feel like it's a tad bit. Well, the chain looks good, but the double G kind of gives me, I don't know if it's because it's bigger, it gives me that a little tiny bit of orange, just a little bit. But really, are people gonna be all up on my foot and my bag? Maybe, right? Who knows, but who cares? I don't. Anyway, everybody, I am so glad they match. I was nervous that the Evil Twin bag fabric was not gonna match this because we know I love a matchy-matchy time. What other time is there? No, but there are times where you should have matched. It's fun. Fashion is fun. It's all about fun and styling. Speaking of which, I will style on my other channel, Hardstyle Fashionista. Thanks everybody for watching. Have a wonderful day and talk to you soon. Bye.